The promise of a better life isn't something you simply hold on to. It's something you have to work at. I knew I wanted to come to Canada and get the education I dreamed of. I wanted to study here and explore opportunities. When looking up the options, I found that Atlantic Canada was a region where I could thrive. New Brunswick in particular caught my attention for its charming attributes like the warmest waters in the country, a rich and diverse cultural experience, and a small private university in Moncton called Crandall. I walked through the doors of the campus for the first time in complete awe. Everyone looked at ease and focused. Many looked like me, while many others didn't. All I could see was a great community of learning minds, and I wanted to be part of it. Crandall staff helped me with the application process, and I was able to enroll in a challenging and satisfying curriculum that built on my past experience. Not only did I get the education I wanted, but I also received all the help and guidance I needed to adjust and settle in Canada. It feels right. It feels like the logical next step in my life. I can be myself here, surrounded by people who share my faith and values. It's safe, it's empowering, it's a top-level university where professors know your name and your ambitions. I found friends, mentors, and teammates here. I can get excited about local opportunities now. I can see myself building a life in this community. I've made new connections. I can be who I want to be.